Let's go on an exciting journey through history and science to learn about someone who helped the whole world see more clearly. Her name is Dr. Patricia Era Bath. She was a brilliant eye doctor, an inventor, and a fighter for fairness. She believed that every single person, no matter where they lived, how much money they had, or the color of their skin, deserved to have healthy eyes and good vision. Dr. Patricia Era Bath was born on November 4, 1942 in Harlem, New York City. Back then, many African American children didn't have the same opportunities as white children. But Patricia's parents believed in her dreams. Her dad was the first black motorman on the New York City subway. He loved math and science and encouraged her to explore. Her mom bought her a chemistry set and told her she could become anything. Patricia was super smart. By high school, she was already doing science experiments with real doctors. One project helped prove that poor people, especially African Americans, were more likely to suffer from eye diseases. Patricia didn't just learn science. She wanted to use it to make a difference. After high school, Patricia went to college at Hunter College and then to medical school at Howard University. She wanted to be a doctor who helped people keep their eyes healthy. That's called an ophthalmologist. She was one of the only women, and the only African American woman, in many of her classes. But she didn't give up. She studied hard and finished her training at some of the best hospitals in the world, like Columbia University and the University of California in Los Angeles. She became the first African American woman to complete a residency in ophthalmology in the United States. That means she got the special training needed to become an expert in treating eyes. As an eye doctor, Dr. Patricia Era Bath noticed something very unfair. Rich patients had better access to eye care than poor patients. People in black and brown communities were losing their sight from things that could be treated, like cataracts and glaucoma. She decided to change that. In 1976, she came up with the idea for community ophthalmology, a new way to bring eye care to poor neighborhoods. That included mobile eye clinics and free eye exams. But she didn't stop there. In 1981, she invented a device called the Laserphaco Probe. It used laser technology to remove cataracts, a condition that makes the lens of the eye cloudy. Cataracts can cause blindness, but her device made the surgery faster, safer, and more accurate. In 1988, she became the first African American woman to receive a medical patent for her invention. That means no one else could claim her idea as their own. Her invention has helped restore sight to millions of people around the world. Dr. Patricia Era Bath wanted to make sure everyone had the right to see. In 1977, she co-founded the American Institute for the Prevention of Blindness. Their motto was, "Eyesight is a basic human right." She believed no child should have to grow up without glasses, no elderly person should lose sight because they can't afford care, and no country should go without eye doctors. She traveled to Africa, Asia, and South America to teach doctors and help patients. She even helped restore sight to a person who had been blind for over 30 years. Dr. Patricia Era Bath kept teaching, inventing, and speaking out for fairness until she passed away in 2019. She opened doors for women and African Americans in medicine. She made science and healthcare more just and caring. She showed us that brilliance, kindness, and courage can work together to change the world. Today, when someone gets a cataract removed with a laser, when a kid in a poor neighborhood gets glasses for free, or when a doctor stands up for equal care, Dr. Patricia Era Bath's light is still shining. So now you know the story of Dr. Patricia Era Bath. She was more than a doctor. She was a dreamer, a doer, and a defender of the right to see. She helped the world open its eyes, and we are better because of her. If you like this video and would like to see more content like this, please give it a thumbs up. Feel free to leave a comment, share with others, and subscribe to our channel.